Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi there guys, Assalamualaikum. Hope you're doing well. Right now we are back with a new tutorial. In this tutorial we will see how to fix XAMPP Apache server. So let's get started. So we have to open XAMPP control panel. So let's go. And then we have to click start. And then we find this message. So we have to click config. And then the first option. And then we have to scroll. And we have to change this port. We can give it in 7802. Here also 7802. Alright, and we have to click file, save. And then we have to again click config. The second option. And then we have to change this 443 to a different number. We can give it 8802. Same here. 8802. Alright, now we can save it. Now, let's try to start. Yeah, it's working. Now, let's check in browser. Open your browser and then search local host semicolon the port number which we have mentioned 7802 slash, and this is our dashboard.